I'll stick my head underneath that waterfall.
Oh, do you have a full handy Yeah, exactly. You could have bought like 6
I think next year we have Nick ride 2 up with Sean. What do you guys think? Oh my God, this is a long way up here. All right, be kind, Sean.
Louise Powers, are you?
I guess so. Here we go. This is the B course, people, through the gravel.
Oh my goodness, up and over the hump. Here we go, up and over the lots.
Oh no, here comes the water. I don't want to go for a swim. No! Okay.
All right, now we got to do something challenging. We're going to go down the slope, little off camber, hard on the front brake. And
He doesn't like the drone. Casey! Casey!